welcome back to Shopworks. In the last 2 episodes, we pretty much took an old beat up mini bike that my kid had and we tore it down, refurbished all the parts that we could, got rid of all the trash parts, and painted everything. It looks really nice. I'm happy with it. I'll walk you guys through in this episode as we build it. All the things that I did on like the shocks, refurbishing those, what I did with the handlebars, and how everything turned out. Before we can start assembling it though, I still have to tape off the tires, scuff up the rims, and get those painted. I took them out, I cleaned them up today with some purple cleaner from the auto parts store, and they should be ready to go. So let's get to it. Alright, while we wait for that first coat to dry on those rims, I wanted to show you guys all this stuff, all this hardware I blasted with glass bead. And it might really make it look nice, but the only problem with blasting something with glass bead is if there's like a CAD plating or like any kind of electroplating on any of the bolts, it's literally going to take all that off. And so it looks like nice now, but I guarantee in like, you know, a week or 2 weeks down the road, these are going to start to get rusted really bad, and a month from now these are going to be completely rusted over and aren't going to look good at all. So I'm going to shoot these with the same paint that I'm shooting on the rims. You know, hopefully it'll stand up to when we put the bike together, but at least it's going to give us some kind of protection. So just a note, if you do glass bead hardware and you take off that plating, you're going to have to paint them. There's just no way around it. You're going to have to clear coat them. You're going to have to put some kind of protection back on them. If I had the stuff here, it'd be cool to actually get my own. There is like a way that you can reapply CAD in a home use, and maybe I'll do something like that on an episode one day. Anyway, let's get this hardware painted so we can get it installed. All right, guys, first start. Maybe that's run? I can't remember. Perfect. That chain's still a little tight. I probably have to mess with the tensioner, but I have run out of time. It is Christmas morning, like 2 in the morning right now. Everybody's asleep in the house. This thing shoots fire. I can't believe the fireball is coming out of the exhaust on that thing. It never did that before. The Go Power Sports stuff, I did put in the jet, the Go Power Sports jet that came with the kit for the carburetor, for the intake. And it's cold right now, but it feels so much more responsive. So anyway, I'm going to wipe this thing down. I'm going to get it all nice and clean and ready to go. And I'm going to roll it into the house and put it in front of the tree for the kid. Wow. I love the way this thing turned out. It looks so much better, and I know he's going to love it. Anyway, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed watching me rebuild this thing for the kid. I really had a fun time. It's definitely not like something that, you know, I would normally do on the channel. You know, usually it's Jeep stuff or whatever, but you know, every once in a while, I'll probably get into projects like this. And, you know, I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy them. I just love, like, working on stuff. So, anyway, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody out there. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Later.